Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. If you haven't done yet, please subscribe to the channel. I will upload videos where it is all about tutorials for Amazon KDP to building your business. I will show you tips and tricks and I will show you my income reports from Amazon KDP. So I hope you like this video and we will see us in 10 seconds, my friend. Now we are back at our KDP reports page and we can see that I was able to sell 239 units in the month of April. I have to say that I published my second non-fiction book at the German marketplace, and I run for this ebook a little free advertising strategy which made me this amount of units ordered. I have to say that these units from my non-fiction ebook was advertised sold for $0, so I didn't make any royalties from this ebook, but it helped me to rank on the first page of the German marketplace for my book. It helped me for the future to rank high for my keywords and make me a good amount of money. So as you can see, my sold units were split into the German marketplace and the American marketplace, but I also managed to make 8 solds for the printed version of my non-fiction book and my low no content books in Germany, and I sold 7 units of my low and no content books in the United States. So as you can see, the lowest amount of sales I made in this month are 0 sales, and the highest amount of sales I made 90 sales at the 25th of April. These 90 sales were all ebook downloads, which made me 0 royalties, but helped me to rank high for my book and for my keywords. Now I want to show you how much royalties I made in the month of April. Now we are back at our royalties estimator page and we can see that we made $42.95. The lowest day of royalties were $0 and the highest day of royalties were a little bit above $8. The royalties are split again into the German marketplace and the American marketplace. On the German marketplace, I was able to make $25.81, and on the American marketplace, I was able to make $70. That's the end of this little income report. I hope you liked it. If you do so, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you don't want to miss any future videos, tips and tricks, tutorials, other income reports, please hit the subscribe button. I wish you the best. We see us in the next video, my friend.